This video shows how you install the Magento 2 adapter for the 10N job health vault. The first place to go is the documentation, where we select the Magento 2 section. In here, we have the basic instructions for getting the adapter installed. So we'll copy the command and go to our command line interface. You can ignore the final flag there and run it. Now that it's installed, we'll obviously need to upgrade. And then compile. Now that it's compiled, we can go to our system configuration and reload. We're under Advanced and System. We can see that we now have the 10N job health monitoring section there. So let's go and create a new project. We'll call it Magento 2. And then we'll copy this project token and paste it into our field here. Now that the token has been set, we should start seeing jobs pop up as they are run in the UI.